Hello dear students, this question number 16 of JEE Advanced 2025 of paper 1 has 6 concepts involved. Number 1 is ninhydrin test, as you can see. Number 2, phenolphthalein test, lysine test, hydrazone formation, neutral FeCl3 test, and coupling reaction. Now as you can see that the concepts involved are, in case you can see that there is a yellow dye formation which indicates that this will be a coupling reaction. Again, there is a ninhydrin test also involved, neutral FeCl3 test is involved, and there is also a hydrazone formation. You have studied this in aldehyde ketone nucleophilic addition reaction or aldehyde ketone chapter. Hydrazone formation is with carbonyl compound and hydrazine, phenylhydrazine. So this number 3 in list 2 involves this particular reaction. There is lysine test also. You can see lysine test. This is particularly for detection of sulfur and nitrogen. Again, FeCl3 test is involved, which gives blood red color. Red color is possible only when the sulfur and nitrogen is present. And the last one is that after complete hydrolysis, list number 2, last 5, this one is involving complete hydrolysis, and this will give again ninhydrin test and will not give positive phthalene dye test. Again, phthalene dye test is used for what? Phenolic compounds, those compounds which are containing phenol, or directly we can say it is for phenol. In list 1, as we can see, this is amino acid. In list 1, here it is list number 1, you can see that the compound P is what? P is a derivative of tyrosine, which is an amino acid, and Q is what? This is aspartame, again an amino acid, and R is aniline chloride. This is all basic compounds, and number S of list 1 is derivative of phenylhydrazine. The answer is going to be B. You can see I have marked with red lines. The option P of list 1 matches with second option. Second option means this is giving ninhydrin test, purple color compound, and will also react with FeCl3. It will react with FeCl3 because you can see that in this case there is a OH group involved. If a OH group is involved, this will be a phenolic group, and if this is a phenolic group, if OH is involved, then neutral FeCl3 test will be given. Means FeCl3 test will be given due to this particular OH. And moreover, there is NH2 also. There is a NH2 you can see here, NH2 is also there, and due to this NH2 you will get ninhydrin test as well. Now we are going to study all the 6 type of concept involved one by one. Number 1 concept involved ninhydrin test. As you can see, it's written over here. Ninhydrin test is what? This is for free alpha amino acid. As you can see, the color developed
This deep purple or blue color it is developed, and this is ninhydrin.
Ninhydrin test is it can give test with NH2 also, ammonia, 1 degree, 2 degree amino acids, all. Means those compounds which have NH2 group, because in all kind of alpha amino acid you have NH2 and COH. So basically this will give a blue purple complex that will confirm that this is a ninhydrin test. Second test is phenolphthalein test. As you can see, phenolphthalein, the structure of phenolphthalein, everyone is well aware of this. In acidic medium, this is colorless, means there is no color, while in case of basic medium you can see a pink color developed. Okay. In lysine test, there is a test, third concept involved lysine test, and this will detect the presence of nitrogen and sulfur. This will form a complex which is called ferric thiocyanate, FeSCN. 2+ charge is there on the complex. The fourth concept involves hydrazone formation. Hydrazone formation means this can only form hydrazone only with carbonyl compounds, those having CHO group or C double bond O group, particularly carbonyl group. This will react with the derivative of phenylhydrazine and will form hydrazone. I have given an example also there. The basic example is there. C double bond O is reacting with this particular compound phenylhydrazine to form phenylhydrazone. Fifth concept involves FeCl3 test. This is famous as neutral FeCl3 test. This is used to detect phenolic compound. As you can see that phenol, 6 moles of phenol will react with FeCl3, which is in neutral condition, will give a violet complex, and along with that 3H plus and 3HCl is also formed as a byproduct. Now the number 6 is coupling reaction. Coupling reaction involves benzene diazonium chloride, or you can say benzene diazonium salt. This will react with aniline to give this para-amino azobenzene, which is a yellow dye. So basically, if we see all the 6 concepts involved in this question, so exactly the answer should be what? It should be B. P matches with 2. P matches with 2 means this particular tyrosine amino derivative matches with 2. 2 is giving nin hydrogen test, purple color also, and also react with FeCl3 to give violet color. Q matches with 5, because you can see in case of 5 also you can see that after complete hydrolysis this is going to give a nin hydrogen test, as after hydrolysis you will get a free NH2 group. If we get a free NH2 group, then it will give nin hydrogen test. So the option matches with 5, Q matches with 5, and this R matches with 1. R matches with 1, why? Because this is aniline chloride, or you can normally we do reaction with aniline and benzene diazonium to give a yellow dye. And the last option, that is S of list 1, matches with third option of the list 2, in which we can form a hydrazone, because glucose has CHO group, carbonyl group. So exactly this can give a hydrazone. So thank you guys. I hope you understood the concept behind this questions. It's a very good question. Thank you.